Struggling to remember how many hours you spent on a client project? FreshBooks has a built-in time tracker that makes it effortless to capture every billable minute. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This feature is a game changer for freelancers and agencies. It ensures you never underbill again and provides clear proof of work for your clients. First, set up your projects and tasks within FreshBooks. Then, find the timer feature. It's usually in the main navigation or within a specific project. Just hit Start when you begin working on a task for a client. When you're done, hit Stop. That time entry is automatically saved and linked to that client and project. When it's time to invoice, you simply go to the client's invoice and select Add Time. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the mobile app timer on the go. If you're in a meeting or working offline, you can start the timer right from the FreshBooks mobile app. It syncs seamlessly with your desktop, so all your time is captured in one place. So, just like that, you've turned time tracking from a chore into a seamless part of your workflow that directly fuels your invoicing. Are you a fan of the start/stop timer, or do you prefer to manually log time at the end of the day? Let me know your method down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.